The Dow up 125 points. My name's D7. Here at Grok Trade, it is Thursday, January 28th, 2016, and for the most part, the markets are in fact bullish. Big tech day. We'll get into some of those. Looking at the markets here, overall, everybody's up, especially NASDAQ up 1.41%. However, small caps down, negative territory. Interesting. However, banks up 1.5%. That's pretty good to see. And you'll see crude oil up largely. It's up 5.7%, but silver taking it on the chin, down 1.74%. VIX down 3.3%. And here we are looking at the Spider, S&P 500 ETF. And I want to talk about what we're seeing here. This big drop, found some area here. We did a little pop here. I'm going to take that in and make sure that's right on that line. Very important that we get that. Come down, we do a pop. Now we should have rallied higher, maybe to the 50% Fibonacci coming across here, which is not drawn in, or these resistance areas. However, we stayed low. This is a failure of the bulls to come in and to buy to go for higher ground, so we're remaining here. So we are building a little bit of a base, and if you look at it right here, it's almost like a bearish pennant. So you get this drop, a little bearish pennant. Normally a bearish pennant is very bearish, and you'll get this drop, big drop. So with this leg here, duplicate this leg, put it right here, and about 80% of this leg could be reflected right here. So that's something that we're watching for. And the markets here have just been sideways, boring, yawn. But it's happening at the bottom of this leg. It's happening down here, which is more bearish than it is bullish. However, I want to take a look here at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ had this drop intraday, but we come rallying back. But again, look at this. It's a symmetrical triangle, small at the bottom of a leg. So that makes it a bearish pennant. Very, very bearish here, gang. So we're in dangerous territory. I want to look at crude oil. Crude oil finally has made this pop boom today. So it broke a lot of resistance today, which is something of interest to me as a trader. And something to be, we could be trying to find a bottom here. So be watching for a bottom here on crude oil. Silver took a dive today, big dive. So I'm still calling this a buy. I still think that this is a bottom that we're putting in. I think that we should start to drift higher here in the markets. But Facebook, gang, had a very big earnings report, up quite a bit, up over 16%. Yeah, up 15.5%. Big pop. We traded this quite a bit in the chat room this morning. We do have a live chat room that we do each morning. You can go to groktrade.com to look at the chat room. But we gapped right into resistance here. And everybody was up. Amazon was up 9% going into earnings. And a very big pop here on Amazon. And PayPal was up over 8% earnings, 8.4%. So PayPal really did quite well here. So overall, most techs were up nicely. Google was up more than 4%. However, Apple only up a mere 0.72%. Let's take a look at Apple. Apple has just been in just too much trouble here. Apple. However, let me see. I'm going to look at this. We're at an area of support, guys, on Apple, and this could be a falling type wedge. This would be interesting. I want to see how Apple, if we can start to find some buyers come in at this level, and we could be looking for an opportunity to buy. Hope these videos are helping you out. Like it if you like it. Catch you guys later.